hotel. Good stay, very good stay. Exceptional nice. Superb stay. Recently refurbished with top-notch amenities, and establishment boasts the Sakara restaurant on the ground floor, offering exceptional culinary experiences. While parking may be slightly congested, the overall quality makes it an excellent choice for accommodation. Perfect area and value for money. Food is awesome and staff is great. Ashraf is a nice human being. Exceptional okay. Great service. The hotel really gave great service and they have really humble staff. The hotel is decent and clean. Recommend for stay as it has a good location too. Excellent value for money. Excellent, very friendly staff, clean and nice hotel. Excellent, excellent service. Nice and helpful staff. Great place and restaurant is very nice. Very good, good service. Exceptional nice, clean and decent environment. Attached restaurant is excellent. Exceptional good. Good hotel with very good management from the receptionist to the staff and the rooms itself, and the service was very good during my stay. No complaints. Value for money, calm and clean, good service. Very good, good room. Exceptional good. Exceptional good. Good, good. Exceptional good hotel. Good stay, very good stay. Exceptional nice.